Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Oraimo OSW-805, also known as the ORAIMI Watch 5 smartwatch. It is an affordable fitness tracker, an affordable smartwatch from Oraimo. And as you can see here, vivid, thin, tough design smartwatch. So we will explore this wearable. We will check the design, the specifications, as well as the UI of the Watch 5 from Oraimo. So if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. If you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the smartwatch from Oraimo. As you can see here, we do have a premium packaging. I love the packaging here. Keep exploring. So we do have some features and specs here. 2.01 inch high definition full touchscreen display, anti-scratch panda glass for protection, and ultra thin design, blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring, wireless high definition calling, 7-day usage time, and we do have 365 days warranty for the wearable. Okay, at the back we do have the QR code for, I guess this is the support app, the Oraimo Health. Okay, so far I like the packaging here. Feels premium. So let's explore the smartwatch here. Let's have the unboxing review of its design, the UI, as well as the specifications. So let's remove the plastic here. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And at the same time, subscribe to our channel. So let's remove the plastic cover. Okay, so we are done with the removing of the plastic. So let's explore the contents of the Oraimo Watch 5. Okay, so let's remove it from its box. Okay. Discover endless possibilities and keep exploring. And what's this? I guess this is the user manual. Open. Nice presentation for the Oraimo. Okay. Welcome guide. We have the smartwatch here. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, we have the smartwatch with the strap attached. And we have the charging cable. I like the packaging here from the Oraimo company. So very stylish and feels premium. Okay, again, the contents of the Oraimo Watch 5 are, we do have the smartwatch with the strap attached, the welcome guide or the user manual, and the charging cable. So USB type A, pogo pin magnetic charging cable. And of course we have here the smartwatch. Nice color so far, semi-glossy. We have here flexible silicone strap with a stainless steel buckle. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's have a closer look. Let's remove this. Simple design with a very good finish here. So this one is plastic. The body frame, seems like the body frame is metal, I think. Not sure. We'll check it out later on. Okay, maybe it's plastic. PC material. We'll check the specs page of the Oraimo. So simple design with the, I don't know if this is a crown button or not. We'll check it later on. Okay, for the dimension, so let's check the thickness here. 11.4 again. So 10.8 without the sensor, I guess. So 10.8 or 0.7. Okay, for the length here, around 47.8. For the width, 38.2. So mid size smartwatch from Oraimo. For the weight, with a strap attached, so 00 here. So it is again 43.71. Okay, almost 44 grams. So very lightweight, just less than 50 grams. Let's turn this on and we will check the specifications. Okay, scan a QR code to bind. Okay, can we access the smartwatch without binding it to the support app? Okay, seems like we can't. See. Okay, seems like we really have to bind the smartwatch again. Start, reset, let's see. And it's loading again. English. Okay, really have to bind it with the support app. Okay, so for the specifications, again, we do have the plastic material, ABS plus PC material. Here's the specs: 2.01 inch TFT LCD with a 240 by 296 pixel resolution. Okay, it is in a mid-range for the specifications for the glass or for the display screen, with the Panda glass for protection and 88.8% screen to body ratio with 50 Hz refresh rate, 650 nits brightness. For the battery life, 300 mAh battery with a 7 days normal usage, 30 days standby time. It is using the Oraimo Health app. It is 180 amp waterproof and with the Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. Again, it is equipped with a Bluetooth call, push notifications, sports, and health. Here's the complete specifications for the Oraimo Watch 5 smartwatch or the Oraimo OS-805. Again, the model number for the smartwatch is the OS-805. Next, let's explore the UI of the new smartwatch from Oraimo. So we are done with the pairing of the Oraimo Watch 5 with its support app, the Oraimo Health. And now we can check on the UI of the Watch 5. As you can see here on the display, again, the screen display is still 2.01 TFT. The black border here is okay, left and right as well as the top. Very wide on the bottom part, which is disappointing. I don't like the style here. But so far, the brightness is very okay. Let's change it to other watch face. I also like the black color. So it's not a crown button but a home and power button. On top we have the settings here and other options. Again, on the bottom part we have the notifications. We have the cards here or the widgets. The same here on the left side. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so that's the UI of our Oraimo Health Smartwatch or the Oraimo Watch 5 OSW-805. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Bye!